So let's take a look at Teleporthq versus Webflow. AI enabled. You do have AI in Teleporthq, however, it's using ChatGPT. For Webflow, apparently there is no, but even they say for Teleporthq that there is no web AI, which is not, which is bogus. It does have API available. Obviously, both of these platforms have API and open source. It is open source. Teleporthq is open source, while Webflow ain't open source. And CLI available. CLI means basically client interface, which basically means like you download something on your computer and use it. It's not available, and it's neither available for Webflow. And basically, there's a free trial. There's free trial. Everything is pretty much the same. The starter pack is, or the free pack is 0 per month. The basic is 18, and then that's it. The professional covers everything, and this is basic core CMS business. There's a lot of plans, but for Teleporthq, there's either free or professional. So after seeing all of this, there's obviously pros and cons. Obviously, the Teleporthq doesn't even have enough data to show, so it's not quite fair that we compare both of them because it just makes the Webflow look like worse. But let's wait until there's data available. And let me just tell you this though. This is not the same, by the way. $18 and 18 euros is not the same. This will cost you a little bit more, but depending on how much you're willing to spend, I think still Teleporthq is a decent option.